we are seeing an uptick in owner financing transactions in the market. It's really created a win-win for buyers and sellers. So this video is really going out to our sellers that are watching this video. Maybe you're not a seller yet. Maybe you're an owner and chances are, built up a tremendous amount of equity in your multifamily property, or possibly it's free and clear and you're enjoying those cash flow checks monthly. Now, a lot of owners would like to sell, but they don't want to pay a bunch in tax, and I totally understand that. So a lot of owners will then, when they're ready to divest, will 1031 exchange. Well, this video is for folks that don't want a 1031 exchange. You've already ruled out, you don't want to go into another multifamily asset. You like the asset you're in, you don't want to buy another one, get comfortable with a new building, deal with property management. But you want to structure it to where you can get a great sale and then also receive monthly income after the sale. And this is when you become the lender and you carry the financing for the buyer. What is seller financing? So the seller and buyer really agree on the main deal points, right? The purchase price, the down payment, the interest rate, the term of the loan, and when the loan is due. You are now a lender, so it's not just a transaction and then the buyer and seller go their separate ways. You want to make sure as a seller that the buyer does well with your property because you are the lender. At the end of the term is called the balloon. That's when the final loan balance is then due. And at that end of that term, the buyer's either going to sell the property, refinance the property, or pay the loan off.